Yeah, this is Somalingeshwar Basic Schools. The students of these schools are making rangoli. It is important in Tihar. Today is Lakshmi Puja and the students are preparing rangoli in different group. And this is another group. So that is so much interesting. It's Diwali culture, Nepali culture, and it's very interesting. I am happy to see this scenario and the Somalingeshwari schools organizing this competition. And this is another Rangoli, and here is also Rangoli. We can see here. There is very interesting. Two people taking Nepali flag. And there is a competition.